Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I tried following a Kathleen Lights makeup tutorial. This is one of the looks she did using her Dream Street palette from Colourpop. I'm gonna link her video down below, so if you wanna see how I did this look, just keep watching. So first, Kathleen Lights used this Colourpop No Filter Concealer as eyeshadow primer, and I am just applying that all over my lids. Then she went on with the Dream Street palette and took the shade Magical as the crease color. I'm taking my time here to build up the peachy color just like she did. Then using the shade Shooting Star, we're applying this on the crease and corners of the eye, just avoiding the middle part. Then back to Magical to smoothen out the edges around the crease. So I'm using this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil instead of the NYX Pigment Primer on the center of my lids. This is a little trick to bring out the color of your eyeshadow. Then using just her fingers, she applied the shade Sweet Dreams on that middle part. Then here we're taking the shade Moony to highlight the brow bones. Then back to Shooting Star to make everything look nicely blended. She also popped the shade Moony on the center of the lids on top of the Sweet Dream. Then here, Kathleen took the shade Elfish and just applying that on the corners of the eyes and also just right below the crease. Going back to the shade Magical and just buffing that all in. So I'm using the Becca First Light Priming Filter because I don't have the primer she used for this video, but it was also a radiant primer, that's why I decided to go with this one. Then her next step is to apply foundation, and I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Foundation and blending that using a sponge. The next step is to put concealer on the areas you need to conceal. Most of the products I'm using here are different from hers, but I picked out the ones that I think would work for this look. For the powder, I'm using the NYX HD Finishing Powder. She's not putting this all over her face, but just to set the concealer, so I'm doing exactly the same. Going back to the eyes, we're taking the shade Magical, Shooting Star, and Elfish, and in that order, just applying them on the lower lash line using a more precise brush. The mascara I'm using here is a L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. Then Kathleen Lights is taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I have that too in the shade Light to contour the cheeks. Then I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer on top of the first contour. Kathleen Lights use a brownish blush, but the closest I have to that is the MAC blush in Melba, which is not even brown but what I think would probably work on this look. Then she picked a very intense highlighter, so I took my Kylie Kylighter to highlight my cheeks and nose. Then we're just spraying setting spray all over the face. To finish off the look, Kathleen used a liner and a lipstick for her lips. So I'm using my Nichido lip liner, which you guys should have to try. It's one of the best drugstore lip liner available in the Philippines. Then I'm using my Nars Pure Matte Lipstick in the shade Tonkin and applying that on top of my liner. So that's it guys, this is the complete look. I think it's nothing like Kathleen's, but please let me know what you think by leaving a comment down below, and I hope you still give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. By the way, all of the products and shades I use would be listed down on the description box below. I hope you enjoyed and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!